it's me, Noel, and I cannot believe that I'm making this video again. So yeah guys, I got a fake claim again on the same music that I got claimed at last time by someone who doesn't even own it. So what happened is that while I was publishing my NFS Heat episode 19 video, it got flagged by the YouTube's automated system, and I got confused because I don't usually use that kind of content that gets flagged. So I checked what got claimed or flagged, and it was the Fat Red Unity theme. So for those of you who don't know, you are allowed to use that music as long as you give credits, and I give credits in all of my videos. In fact, for anything I use, for any music I use, I give credits. So then it was like really confusing on why I got claimed. So on further digging on who did it, I found out that he, she, whoever it is, they do this to many small channels, many creators, whether they own the music or not, and all of them are angry. So essentially it's a scam. So same as last time. In case you guys are new here, this is not the first time this has happened actually. In fact, this has happened before on the very first video of my channel, which is like over a year ago, and I had made the second video of my channel to address that. So I decided that it's really important for me to make this video because it won't help just me, it will also help many of you who are struggling through this. So please watch this video completely and share it with as many people as you can to get them out of this mess. So I'll use my own example guys to help you. So firstly, I've already submitted a dispute for this claim, and it is going on. So here only three things can happen, and two of them are beneficial, and the third one is a bit escalation type thing. Either they ignore that dispute, which causes the claim to go away, or they release the claim themselves. So both of these are good. But if they choose to escalate and reject that dispute, then you have the option to file an appeal, which I intend to do if my dispute gets rejected. And it's the same thing again, same three options: either release it, ignore it, or escalate it. And this is a bit more serious than last time. So if they choose to escalate it and ignore the if they choose to escalate it, then it turns the a copyright claim into a copyright strike. But even then there is still an option. You can still send a counter notification to them with the same three options as the last two times, where they either can release it, ignore it, or escalate it. And in this step, if you know that the claim is fake, you are guaranteed to win, guys. You don't need to worry, because in all three of these cases you win. In the first two cases you obviously win, where they either ignore it or remove it. But in the third case, to escalate it, they have to take you to court. Because think about it guys, if they are claiming that it is their music, it is on them. The burden is on them to take you to court and do everything. So the only way they can even take you to court is that if their claim is real, because if it is fake, they lose the moment they try to do that. So that's why guys, another thing is that many people actually on YouTube don't know this entire process, and that ignorance is what these scammers take advantage of, and they try to extract quick bucks from them. But I'm not going to let it go. Just because it's a small thing doesn't mean I'm going to let it go. I'm going to dispute it. If it gets rejected, I'm going to appeal. If it gets rejected, I'm going to send a counter notification, and if it gets rejected, I'm even prepared to fight this in court, because I'm even going to contact a lawyer. Last time, as you guys might know from my last video, for those of you who have watched it, I was already contacting a lawyer last time, and this time again I can do the same. So last time I was a bit nervous and everything, but knowing how this process goes, I am not afraid anymore, and neither should you guys be. So don't be afraid. If not, if you know that the claim is fake and everything, there is no way you'll lose. So all you have to do is just be prepared to go through the steps. So that's all guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Share this to as many people as possible to help everyone, help as much people as you can out of this mess. And also this is for primarily my channel. Another thing is that I was planning on making a 100 sub special compilation video on my games, epic moments and everything, but it was taking a bit of time, so I thought it was a good idea to address this issue while I was doing that. So yeah guys, that's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give a like, and definitely share this video to as many people as possible. Subscribe if you enjoy my content, and I'm not going to say to join my Discord because this is a serious thing. So yeah guys, anyways, thank you and bye bye.